Where things get a little gnarly and there's going to be back and forth to people are, we'll call them investor hours. So if you're going to come and say, hey, I spent 40 hours on Zillow finding my property, I'm going to count that. Not going to work. Education. This is a big one. This has come up a few times in tax court where people are saying, oh, I bought my short-term rental and then I need to figure out how to operate my short-term rental. So I read 5 books from Bigger Pockets. They will allow you to take an hour or two here or there. The tax court judges are just going to laugh at you. They're not going to do it. And then that goes with research as well, right? If you're just like, I'm researching, within a limit, you can do a couple hours. But if you try to make that a big chunk of your time, it's not going to work out. You're maintaining your property. You live 30, 40 minutes away. You're checking on it once a week. That round trip time, that's all good. Where people have gotten in trouble with travel is, I live here in Boston. I'm going to see my rental property in Laguna, California. I'm taking a 6-hour flight and I'm counting all the time on the ground there, right? It's not going to work. There's been a case about this and the judge basically said, I believe you. You actually physically did go and travel to the property, but you could have hired someone for $20 an hour to check on your property. Like, you didn't need to do that. Be careful of those things because a lot of people will get fired up and say, no, it's my right. I can go travel and look at my property and I'm counting that time. Sure, you can run with that. But remember, like tax court, tax law, it's not criminal court, right? They can make their decisions based on reasonableness. And if they don't think that you're believable or they don't think it was necessary, they're going to say those hours didn't count.